Adjusting the HVAC blower speed CFM on your furnace or AC unit might sound like a quick fix to get better airflow, but it's way trickier than most people realize. So, if you want to mess with your blower speed, first thing is knowing your system type and what CFM means. It stands for cubic feet per minute, which is basically how much air your blower moves. You gotta check your furnace or AC manual because each unit has recommended blower speed settings that keep things running smooth and efficient. When you change the blower speed, it affects how your system heats or cools your home and can mess with your energy bills if done wrong. Always shut off the power to your HVAC unit before touching anything to avoid getting zapped or frying parts. If your blower speed is too high, it can make your system noisy and wear out faster. Too low and you'll get poor airflow and uneven temperatures. Use a screwdriver to adjust the speed taps on the control board carefully, but don't force anything if it's stuck or unclear. If you're not 100% sure about what you're doing, calling a licensed HVAC technician saves you from headaches and expensive repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes people make when adjusting HVAC blower speeds is ignoring safety, which risks electric shock or damage to the control board. Fix this by always turning off the breaker and double-checking with a voltage tester before working on your unit. Another common error is changing blower speeds without knowing their impact on system performance, leading to airflow problems or overheating. Reading your unit's specs or getting expert advice can prevent this. Lastly, many folks try to adjust blower speeds on newer units and accidentally void their warranty. Double-check your warranty terms and consider professional help to keep your coverage intact. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can easily find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, contractors get hooked up with legit jobs from folks who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.